Hi, I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography. I'm going to show you how to work in Photoshop CS6. All right, I think the easiest way to learn Photoshop is to actually work on a picture. So we're going to just work on one picture really quickly. File, Open, and let's pull this picture up. Okay, I'm just going to give you an overview. This top toolbar, we've got all kinds of stuff, but the main thing you're going to use is here under Image, Adjustments, and Levels. Levels lets you, I'm going to move it over here, lets you turn up the exposure or turn down the exposure or turn up and down the midtones of a picture. Okay, so levels is a pretty important thing to learn, and it's again under Image, Adjustments, Levels. All right? Over here we have our tool palette or toolbox. You've got all kinds of options in here to learn. These are selection tools if you just want to work on a little bit of the picture. But I'm going to show you the clone tool because it's something that we use a lot in editing. I'm going to first I'm going to show you the zoom tool down here at the bottom because I'm going to make sure I'm on plus, and then I'm going to zoom in on her face a little bit. And I'm going to use the clone tool to get rid of some of her zits. So I'm making the brush smaller. You can do it here, but where the brush is, but I'm using the bracket key, the left bracket key, to make the brush smaller. I'm going to hold down the Alt key or Option key if you're on the Mac, left click on the mouse. I'm going to let go of everything, and then I'm going to just paste over the zit. Okay, it's too severe, so I'm going to Control Z or Command Z on the Mac. I'm going to turn the opacity down of the clone tool to about 30 and try again. Alt or Option, left click, let go, and then paste over the zit. I'm going to do it again on this zit. It's Alt or Option key, left click, let go, and then paste over the zit. You want to, what we call this sampling, you want to sample some good skin to paste over the bad skin. Alt or Option, left click, let go, paste over the bad skin. I'm going to go back to my zoom tool, and this time I'm going to choose out, minus, so I'm going to zoom out, and that's pretty much all we can teach you in 2 minutes on a 2-minute video, but you get a feel. Levels helps you brighten up the picture. Your toolbox has all your detailed editing tools.